This is how you get to mint the NFT from Hot Wallet. And if you know what NFTs are, you know that NFT is the hot cake right now. It is the trend if you're following up with trend. People are making massive amount of money simply by flipping NFTs. So every opportunity you get to get an NFT, make sure you utilize it. Hot is a good project and it's doing its NFT right now. So I'll advise go and do the minting, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. But if you still don't know the importance of NFT, come to my live section, come to Space on X this Saturday, 8:30 p.m. We are going to be discussing what NFTs are, including how to make money from it. The time I'm posting this video should be 10th of July. So Saturday should be, I think, 13th or something like that, if I'm calculating correctly. So 8 p.m. that night, we'll be discussing NFTs. Come on my live session. Now let's head into the main tutorial for today. Once you're logged in on your hot wallet, you click on this explore. Look at this explore here. You tap on it and then it should take you to this page where you get to mint the NFT. I'm doing this using my Telegram bot. You can use the hot wallet app. You can use the app. You can use the extension from your Mrs. browser or your Chrome extension. Anyone works. Just go to this page, click on this connect wallet. It does not work immediately. So you have to wait for about some time on this page. As you can see, I have clicked it and I am waiting. So that is how you get to wait until you get the sign message that is going to now allow you to connect your wallet and then go ahead to complete the steps that will now enable you to do your minting. All right, as you can see, the message has now appeared. I think it took about 6 seconds or less maybe. Then you get to click on this sign message and the next page again is for you to now approve it. So I'll go ahead and approve. You can go ahead and read these jargons. I don't know what you want to understand from there anyway. Now, after that, you can see this my page. Now you can see the mint is in 5 days time and the items, the free items available is about 2,000 items. So you have to get in quick before everybody else does. But before that, there are 5 tasks that you have to complete, 5 quests. Look at the first quest here is for you to connect your hot wallet, which we have done. The second one is to link, is to follow this public AI Telegram channel. Look at public AI. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that public AI. Then I'll follow them on Telegram. Look at, I'm joining. After you join, then you go back to that page now and click on verify and it should be successful. Okay, yeah, it's completed. Now the second thing now is to earn 500 public AI points, which is simple to do but it can be stressful. So once you click on it now, it's going to take you to this better public AI. I think it's a new airdrop on its own or something like that. I've not really researched on it. I'm even just seeing it for the first time here, which I'm going to do later on, and maybe I might even be dropping the registration link and how to go about a lot of things on my Telegram and WhatsApp channel. But as of now, let's just stick to how to complete this task. So I go ahead and complete this captcha verification, and then it should now take me to the registration page where I think I have to register with my email address also. So here is it here. I'm going to sign in with my Google. I love using it because it's the fastest. I don't like using my X because I consider it risky, connecting your X to these platforms and the likes. So I'm going to go ahead and use my email, sign in. Once that is done, the basic way to earn up to that 500 points on this site is to do task. There are a lot of, let me first of all clear this information on the page. Okay, set language and region. Now look at, there are a lot of tasks on these platforms that you have to complete. It is by completing that task that you can now get the 500 points. It's an easy thing to do anyway. So once you're able to do it successfully, you get the 500 points and then you go back and complete the task. Look at, earn 500 public AI So
points.
on this
So let's
mission
head back
page,
in there and
there are
complete
a
it.
lot of tasks, and each of the tasks you can see 100, 100, 100, 100. Now, one task is very important that you have to do here, and that is connecting of this your public AI to your Telegram. As you can see, I registered this on the site, but you have to connect it to your Telegram. So somehow it's going to reflect on, I think, the hot wallet app. That is what I was able to do to get it connected and complete the task. So now I have to follow them on their X platform, and that will earn me 100. So if I should go back to this page right now, and then you can see I should have earned 100 points for completing following them on their X. I also completed the Discord task. I connected my Discord to it, and now I'm about to connect my Telegram. Another thing I tried doing was LinkedIn. I tried doing the LinkedIn, but LinkedIn was stressful based on the fact that LinkedIn is not even on this my phone, so I had to use the other device. But yeah, I still gave up on it. Now my Telegram has successfully been connected, and as you can see, I now have 600 points. That is even now way above the 500 that it required. So what I'll do next now is to head back into my hot wallet. I'm using the Telegram version of it. I think that one works easier, but you can use the app version or anyone that suits you. So you go ahead and click on that, and it's still showing I don't have up to 500. So I think there's a problem with the connection. So I'll head back to the page again and see what is wrong. So let's scroll up and see. Okay, I've seen something. They asked me to bind my near. All right. That means I have to bind my near wallet, which is actually my wallet, so that the whole thing is going to be linked up. So that's what I'm going to do. After clicking on that choose wallet, I'll go ahead and click on hot wallet from this list, and let's get it connected. So if you have any issues, just follow these simple steps that I am showing here. If you do exactly this, it should work out for you. I'm going to be using the Telegram version, so I'll click on open Telegram since I'm doing everything on Telegram anyway. So they should give me some sign-in message and some contracts to approve. Those things that happens with smart contracts. So this is it here. You click on connect, and then all right, that should be done. I think I'm supposed to get some contract message which I'm not getting, so I'll still head back to that page again and see what is going on that page. All right, it's still telling me to connect my near wallet, which means it has not been connected. Let's still go ahead and click on it again. All right, you can see, okay, I now need to sign and bind. As you can see, I'm doing all these things fresh, so you shouldn't have any issues at all. But if you still have any issue, drop them in the comment section of this video so that we'll resolve it. It's still showing me 502 bad gateway. Now I've discovered, I think what is wrong is that I'm using Telegram, so I'll go ahead and use the app version. Let us see if we'll get a different result. Going back on this page now, this public AI page now, let's wait for this thing to finish loading. Then I'll go ahead and connect, but this time around I'll be using my app. So this will tell you that if you find any issue, then the app might just be the best. Now click on this endpoint. Once it takes you to that page, you go to the task section once again, and then you locate this your button that asks you to connect your near wallet. Look at it here. So click on connect. My wallet is connected already. I need to sign and bind it. Now I'm going to be clicking on open mobile instead of Telegram. So this time around, I'll be using the mobile version. Once it opens up, they'll ask you to approve. This was the message I was waiting for since. So this time around, it should definitely work. Now I'll exit from this page and go back into my Telegram again to complete the process. So once I'm in my Telegram, I want to go ahead and click on the checkpoints button, and this time around it should go through. You can see it has worked. Now, I completed a step that I did not show here, which is the last one. You can see reserve 20 hot. You have to reserve 20 hot, so you have to have up to 20 hot to mint. Now this holds $10 in hot wallet, meaning you have to deposit about $10 worth of near. If you don't have near, go to an exchange like Bybit. I do purchase from Bybit when I want to buy in bulk. Go and buy from Bybit. If you don't know how to buy, or it's stressful, or you just want to buy less amount of near, come to my DM. Check the link in the description box of this video. You are going to get the link there to my Telegram channel, where in my Telegram channel I pin my WhatsApp contact. So check the pin post and then copy my WhatsApp contact. Message me if you want to purchase near. It's available and affordable. So you have to deposit about $10 worth of near, and they are not debiting you. It is going to remain on your wallet until the 5 days period elapse. So after the 5 days, you will now be able to go ahead and claim or mint the free NFT. And that is basically how to go about it. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we upload a new video just like this one.